Before you install MetaMask, stop for a moment, because most people rush into crypto wallets without understanding the risks. The surprising truth is that MetaMask is powerful, but it can be dangerous if you use it the wrong way. MetaMask is a non-custodial crypto wallet and browser extension that lets you store, send, receive, and interact with blockchain applications. It supports Ethereum and many other networks like Polygon, ENB Chain, and Arbitrum. When you create a wallet, you receive a 12-word recovery phrase. This is your master key. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They store it digitally. If hackers access that phrase, your funds are gone forever. MetaMask allows you to connect to DeFi apps, NFT marketplaces, and token swaps. You won't believe what happens next when users approve fake smart contracts. Their wallets can be drained instantly. Always verify websites before connecting. The wallet itself is free, but you pay network fees for transactions. These fees change based on network demand and can rise quickly. So who should use MetaMask? It is ideal for users who want access to decentralized finance. It is not ideal for people who want simplicity and strong customer support. The surprising truth about MetaMask is that it is only as safe as your habits. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest crypto guides.